This evening we're here in the Chinese special tea ceremony at the tea house, and our team here is experiencing some of the local tea from this region.
طبعا السفر فيه 7 فوائد. طبعا من ضمنها ايضا التعارف الثقافات الثانيه والعادات التقاليد البلدان الاخرى. طبعا في علاقه قويه ما بين الصين وعمان من قبل، وطبعا هذه فرصه ايضا للطيران العماني. ان شاء الله في المستقبل راح يفتح خط قوي من عمان الى الصين مباشره.
The new route of Oman Air directly to China is bringing back many years, thousands of years of history between the two countries, and I think it dates back well before Sinbad the Sailor. It's recreating some great traditions.
What is it about Morgan Larson? You know, he came in the last race, had a really bad performance. He watched the dream of winning this act almost sail away. He's doing exactly what he needs to do now. There goes Morgan Larson and Oman Air safely through the finish line.
Yeah, I mean, fantastic event and obviously challenging conditions. But now we put a good effort in and came up a little short.
Final day in Qingdao was, I think we do pretty well in the water, so it's quite shifty wind. So I think we're so happy on second place, still 6 more events.
Just take some notes and come back stronger.